Hello friends, my name is Avinash from Avinash Mathematics, and now we will discuss about a chapter named quadratic equation. At first, we should know about a polynomial. Let us suppose Px is a polynomial in which x is a variable and the highest power of x in Px is called the degree of polynomial. Let us suppose Px is a polynomial ax n minus 1 plus bx n minus 2 plus cx n minus 3 where x is a variable and a, b, c are always constant. Now let us suppose Px is a polynomial ax plus b. Here the value of degree of x is always 1. If the degree of x is 1, the polynomial known as a linear polynomial. If the degree of x or highest degree of x is 2, then the polynomial is known as quadratic equation. If the degree of x in polynomial is 3, then the polynomial is known as cubic polynomial, as so as possible. Now we will discuss about a quadratic equation. As we know, the quadratic equations Px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation because the degree of x or highest degree of x is 2 and a, b, c are always constant. Now let us suppose the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and the highest power of x is 2, then the values of x always 2, or the zeros of ax square plus bx plus c is always 2, where alpha and beta are also known as zeros of quadratic equations. Alpha and beta are the values of quadratic equation because the power of x is 2. If the power of x is 1, then the value of x is always 1. If the degree of x is 3, then the values of x is always 3. Now let's see about quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation and how we find about the values of ax square plus bx plus c in equations ax square plus bx plus c, or to find the values of x. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have lots There are many ways to find the value of x, but I think the simple method is a complete square method to find the quadratic equation ax square plus b. Now, by complete square methods means ax plus bx ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has to be converted into a plus b to the whole square. Now common ax square plus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. By completing this method, x to the power whole square plus a square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a equal to 0. Here x square plus 2x into b by 2 plus b by 2 whole square is a complete square. Now we can write x plus b by 2 whole square is equal to b by 2 whole square minus c by a. Now x plus b by 2 whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac by 2a. Where x is equal to minus plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here the values of x is always 2 because it's a quadratic equation. Now alpha is equal to minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a, where alpha and beta are also known as the root of the quadratic equation, zeros of the quadratic equation. Again, if alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation, let alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then sum of zeros or sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta minus b by a, and product of zeros or product of roots alpha into beta is equal to c by a, where alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation or zeros of the quadratic equation. Now, if given alpha and beta, if alpha and beta are given, then we have to find the quadratic equation. Then the equation x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0, where alpha plus beta and alpha into beta sum of roots and products of roots respectively. Now, if we will solve this equation, we can find the quadratic equation by solving this method. X square minus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. Then x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. Now this is all theories about quadratic equation, how we find the roots and zeros of the quadratic equation. If the roots are given, then how to find the quadratic equations. Thank you. Avinash Kumar sir, Avinash Mathematics.